Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing another hair video. Today we are featuring Ashimary hair. These are the contents that came in the box, including the wig. This is a 6 by 4.5 lace closure ready to wear wig. It comes with an adjustable strap, and these wigs are all pre-bleached, pre-cut, and pre-plucked. This is the hair. It is 24 inches long and the texture is water wave. So I'm just going to put the wig on because these ready to wear wigs are supposed to be ready to wear right out the box. So I'm showing you what it looks like straight out of the box. The hair texture is really soft. The curls are pretty. The only thing I have to do is wet it with a little water because I guess in the shipping process it's like a little hump in it. So I'm gonna fix that. And this is HD lace. This is what it looks like up against my skin. So I'm just going in with some regular H2O to kind of refresh the curls and give it some life because it's been in a box in a bag. That's all.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Turn up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the moment just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me. Strippers wanna sex me. Now we mad because you had me low. Shit ain't fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you.
Now you can just refresh the curls and stop, and it looks great, looks amazing, but I wanted to take it a step further, so I just ended up wetting the entire wig. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm gonna let this dry for a little while and then I'll be back. And this is me back. The hair, y'all, this hair texture, I just wish you can feel how soft it is. All I'm doing is adding a little bit of my foundation powder to the lace so that it will blend in more with my skin. And this is what it looks like up close. Don't mind my chewing. So here I'm just pinning the hair back because I am about to spray it down. I don't use glue ever. All I use is hairspray, and if you're like me and you want to take it off like same day, all you need is hairspray. It still holds. Like when I tell you, I can't lift the wig up without just dabbing it with some water. So I love the hairspray trick.
Mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes, high hopes.
Then after that, I just put the band on, and I don't really leave the band on long, probably 10 minutes at most because it's just hairspray. here's what it looks like. Now I'm just going to go in with some edge control for my edges. And again, I'm using my natural edges on this unit. I feel like it looks the most natural to me, especially because my edges are very low. So this is what we're looking like. Real cute. And I'm gonna try a little cute style. I really want to perfect being able to style the wigs and not just wear them in like a middle part, side part situation. But do y'all see how well the wig is holding on? It's just hairspray, but it does also help when the knots are like bleached and the lace is thin and it just blends right into your skin, and that's what this wig is doing. So I'm just doing a cute little uppy downy look, something different. But here's the final look. Love, love, love this hair. I'll be sure to list all of Ashimary's hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to this unit because you do need it. She's definitely going in my favorites bin. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.